how to add multi-language in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your website on Hostinger multilingual. So how we can add the language selector and also how we can set up or modify some of the languages that has been used on different sections or text boxes. So here we are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account within the platform, and then as you can see, we have the Hostinger panel or the dashboard. Now, what we're going to do is basically to head over the websites in here, click on it, and click on websites list. Now, I'm going to click on here, and then we're going basically to see all of the websites that we have. Now, I am going to click on the edit website, but make sure first that we have selected a Hostinger website builder site, which is going to be represented within this specific icon or this favicon. We're going to click on here, and then we are going to wait for the website to be uploaded. Now, once you are going to see the website uploaded, we're going basically to head over the settings of the website. How we can head over the settings? We're going to click on more settings. Now we're going to see a list of the settings. From them, we have multi-language. We're going to click on here, and then we're going to set up the multilingual website of yours by selecting the starting language, which is obviously in here is going to be the English. The second step is going to be new language, or you can go ahead and add a new language. And the third step is going to be customizing, editing the content of each new language. Now, let's go ahead and head over English. English. So we have here the model language of English. So I'm going to show up here the first language in here. So I am going to have the English just like that added. And also we can add another language just in here. So this is the first language. You can add, for example, another language like Arabic. So you are going to add language, and we're going to have, for example, a setup language like this one. So we are going also to have another language like French, for example, from say, here we have it. You're going to have the countries that speaks French flags. I'm going to have this, for example. And as you can see, we have added three languages. Now, how we can navigate through the languages, I'm going to refresh my website, reload it, and we're going to see the parameters. So it is going to be, or all of the languages are going to be integrated in here. So think that we've got a problem. I'm going to repeat the steps. So here, as you can see, the languages, we have the English. I can put here English, Arabic, or Francais. So you can go ahead and customize each one of the languages by selecting here the language of that specific website and put here some modification and made ceramics, for example, probably here fabricated or fabricate, for example, like this. And here we have it. And also for Arabic, you can go ahead and change in the setup in here. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.